I decided to get 34 pairs of non-slip hospital socks. These socks are amazing because they come in 14 pairs of foot style and 20 pairs of square styles and different pattern at the base of it. These are super great quality and I can actually wear it daily. And also I got them for gifts for friends, for party packs, for my kids' friends also, and these are made out of cotton material. I love how elasticity and stretchy it is. The top area is quite smooth. When I wore it, it was so easy to put on and it was quite stretchy and very, very comfortable, not bulky at all. I also love the fact that I can even wear to the gym if I'm doing yoga or any exercise or dance and I will not fall, and it comes in variety of different colors that I love. I love the fact that these are practical enough to wear anywhere with any clothing, and you can wear it at home. I can wear it when I travel. I can also wear it when I have to go to the hospital or whatsoever. Absolutely comfortable and a must have.